Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to make a minimalist brand logos in Kittl AI using its AI tools. Let's get started. First, open a Kittl AI and start a new project. Then here in the left-hand menu, click Kittl AI. And inside the tools, choose a design generator and then click the logo. Then here type a clear prompt that tells the Kittl AI what kind of minimalist logo that you want. Then after done typing your prompt, you can choose a style and colors. You can select minimalist style and pick colors that you want. And click generate and let the Kittl AI create options. Pick the one that you like and you can adjust the fonts, icons, the colors until it fits your brand perfectly. And once you're happy with the minimalist logo, save your project and export it to use in your website, social media, or products. And that's it. That's how you can easily make a minimalist brand logo in Kittl AI. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.